Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Tecno Pova 7 5G smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the Pova 7 branding. This is a 5G smartphone. It comes with Tecno AI. The device is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate processor. We got a 144Hz Full HD Plus resolution display with 6000 mAh battery. And here we got the camera module. This is embroidered, so this is 3D texture. If you move your finger, you can feel the camera module design here. It comes with 256 GB storage, 8 GB RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB more. So you will get total 16 GB RAM on Tecno Pova 7 5G. Here we got the information that it is high-res audio certified and it comes with Dolby Atmos powered speaker. It comes with multiple TÜV Rheinland certification like the battery endurance, providing more than 24 hours of battery life and 72 months fluency rating. That means it can work fluently without any lagging up to 6 years. Sounds quite impressive. And here on the back we got rest of the information regarding Tecno Pova 7 5G, that it comes with 45 watt flash charge. We got 30 watt wireless charging as well, and that's quite impressive considering the price segment of the device. It comes with 50 megapixel primary camera, IP64 water and dust resistance, and once again Dolby Atmos powered stereo speaker setup. It also comes with NFC. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Tecno Pova 7 5G. Once again, you can see some of the hardware specs of the device mentioned here. The color variant we got here is Oasis Green. We got some quick start guide, user manuals, licensed by Qualcomm sticker, even though it comes with MediaTek Dimensity processor. So I'm not sure why it is here in this retail box. Here we got the case for Pova 7 5G. You can see it comes with this MagSafe compatibility to attach the magnetic wireless charger. Once again, some quick start guide, user manuals. Here we got the 45 watt charger, a USB Type-C cable, and there is a SIM card tray ejector pin, quite unique in design as you can see here. And if you have a look closely, you can see that it is representing the camera module design of Tecno Pova 7 5G. Quite interesting design. So let's switch on the device. After that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Pova 7 5G we got here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Pova 7 5G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So here on the front side, we got a 6.78 inch display with officially stated 91% screen to body ratio, but I believe it's around 88% or something because of a bit of bezel here on the side, and we got a chin here as well. At the top center of the display, we got this punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Right above it, there is a tiny slit where you will find the earpiece. At the bottom we got the primary microphone, USB Type-C port, the speaker grill. On the left side we got the SIM card tray slot, and on the right side we got the power button along with volume keys, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor. But the most interesting thing about the design of Pova 7 5G is the back panel. As you can see, it comes with a unique design that Tecno calls as interstellar design, inspired by the spaceships. We got lots of text on the back panel. We got the Pova branding, we got the designed by Tecno branding, specs of the battery that it comes with high density 6000 mAh battery, NFC, 50 megapixel AI camera, these lights. Here is the camera module that is quite unique looking. So that's a good thing because among the smartphones, the camera module design is getting pretty boring and quite saturated in terms of uniqueness and identity. And even though it looks like the back panel is split in different sections, if you move your finger, it's one single sheet. So this whole design is beneath a single sheet of plastic we got here. And even though we got these 3 camera rings here, only one of them got the camera, that is the 50 megapixel camera. another one is just the light sensor, and third one is just for the sake of design. So do not get confused that this phone comes with triple camera setup. It's just one single camera and one sensor for better imaging. Tecno officially does not provide any information whether the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass or any other kind of protection, but all we got here is a screen protector pre-applied on it. And all around the camera module there is a strip of LED that you can use for various purposes like notification, for the messages and calls, or during the gaming. So we will have a quick look very soon on it, but just now wanted to give you an idea that this is once again a unique thing about the design of the Pova 7 5G we got here. It is 8.9 mm thick, so it is not too thick considering that it comes with a 6000 mAh battery and it weighs 207 grams. So it's not too heavy or too thick and feels quite comfortable while holding the device in hand. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.78 inch IPS LCD display with 1080 x 2460 pixels resolution with 140Hz refresh rate. The PPI you will get is 396, and because of that the display of Pova 7 5G is quite nice. It is sharp enough, colors are vibrant, and the viewing angles are great as well, as you can see here. It comes with 144Hz refresh rate, and you can select between the auto switch standard or high that will allow you to use the Pova 7 5G at 144Hz. You can even select the custom app refresh rate for all of these applications if you select the refresh rate to high manually. And as you can see at 144Hz refresh rate, the display is super smooth here. So that's quite impressive that Tecno is providing 144Hz refresh rate display on Pova 7 5G in this price segment. Again, officially Tecno does not provide the information that what is the maximum peak brightness, but it looks bright enough as you can see here. So hopefully you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. I will check it, how good the brightness of the device is going to be, how good the viewing experience will be in outdoors. But right now it's looking bright enough as you can see here. It also comes with some of the eye care mode, and we get the option to change the color temperature as well, and all of these usual basic display and brightness settings. Now talking about the software, the Tecno Pova 7 5G comes with Android 15 with iOS 15.1, and the new iOS 15.1 comes with a totally new redesigned look. As you can see here, we got plenty of options as well. The most interesting one is the Tecno AI, where we got plenty of AI based features that you can use here for better productivity. You can tap on any of these to get the more information and how to use all of these features we got here. So that's quite impressive that once again Tecno is providing plenty of AI based features on Pova 7 5G, and once again we got a section of special functionalities like the dynamic port, smart panel, outdoor booster, game mode, kids modes, etc. on our Pova 7 5G. So once again you can see that it is quite feature rich, and as I mentioned, the whole UI is redesigned. We got all of these new icons. We got a dedicated section here for the status LED. So let's say if I tap on this, we got a whole section dedicated for a status LED, and you can do various customization for better user experience. You can select for what kind of activities you would like the status LED to be used. You can turn it off, turn it on, and just to give you a brief idea, this is the LED strip we got here. That's quite nice for sure. Talking about the hardware, the device is powered by Dimensity 7300 Ultimate processor. We got 8GB RAM. Once again you can expand it up to 8GB more. As you can see here, it comes with 256GB storage, out of which 19.2GB is preoccupied, so the user available storage is around 236GB, and if it is not sufficient for you, then you can use the SIM2 slot to insert a memory card to extend the storage of your Pova 7 5G. It comes with 6000 mAh battery, 45W charging, 30W wireless charging, and 10W reverse charging. Now talking about the camera, we got a 13MP front facing camera and 50MP primary camera on the rear side. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see it comes with 2x toggle, but there is no 0.6 or 0.5x toggle because it does not come with a wide angle lens. We got the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the super night mode. Under the mode section you can see that it comes with slow motion video recording, dual video recording, vlog, time lapse, panorama, sky shop where you can create lots of sky effect in your pictures. We got the pro mode, documents as well, and then we got the video mode. You can see that it comes with stabilization, and you can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 FPS and Full HD resolution videos up to 60 FPS, as you can see here. And then we got the AIGC portrait, where you can put some nice effects on your portrait photographies. So even though the Tecno Pova 7 5G does not come with a very powerful hardware for imaging, the options and features we got here are quite interesting and pretty feature rich UI. We will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our feature videos, but this device is targeted towards gaming and heavy usage instead of the camera, but still we will see the performance of it in our detailed review of the Pova 7 5G. So at the first glance, the Tecno Pova 7 5G is looking a pretty solid smartphone in its price segment, especially because of the super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, huge 6000 mAh battery, 45 watt charging, 30 watt wireless charging, Dimensity 7300 Ultimate processor, and eye-catching design, and the status LEDs we got here. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Tecno Pova 7 5G, like the gaming review, benchmarking test score result, comparison with other smartphones, battery charging speed test, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.